What's up, everybody?
Valley Dogs, y'all dogs
are back with another video.
What's going on, guys?
Sorry for the long-awaited return, guys. You know, we were out hustling, trying to get that paper, trying to get that education. So we've been kind of busy lately, and we apologize for not making videos, but we will try to make more videos more consistently, because I know some people have been complaining, right, Luis? At your school?
Hey, Kobe, G, Ricky. I mean, not Ricky, but hey, this for y'all, man, because y'all need to shut that mouth, okay? So we coming at y'all with some Air Max 270s.
All right,
please show them the box. Please show them the box.
Show it to me.
Looking good.
Nike Air Max 270. You know, even got his custom box, you know, Air 270, you know, not like any other Nike box. So let's see these shoes. Ooh! Ooh! Jokers is clean! Ooh, look at that. Ooh!
That's what I'm talking about?
The Nike Air 270, like I said. These are clean, honestly. Honestly. Nike doing something different with their running shoes. You know, this is the latest addition to their running collection, and I gotta say, I like it. I approve, Nike. Good job. Nike was getting, you know, a little boring with their running shoes. They all kind of look the same. You know, Adidas was killing them, but you know, you brought the heat with these.
Good job, good job.
So as you can see, you know, colorway is what?
Colorway is hyper magenta.
Hyper magenta and black. You know, it looks a little purple, but it's magenta. Looks like Laker colors. You know, so if you want to represent the city, make sure you get these. You know,
represent for Kobe.
Kobe, even though he's not on the team anymore.
Just put on, man. Put on for the city.
Laker for life. But anyway, as you can see, it got that the
Air Max bubble.
No. What's the word? Signature. The signature Air Max bubble right here. You know, for cushion, you can't go wrong with the Air Max bubble. It adds extra cushion, extra comfort. You know,
But
it feels like
that. You need that cushion for the pushing.
I mean, if you want. Nah, but I'm just kidding. Anyway, you know, Air Max bubble. As you can see, it says 270 right here. Name of the shoe. Another 270 in magenta right here. Nike sign. Tongue says Air 270. You know, it's just 270 all over. You know, you can't go wrong with 270. But anyway, upper is all mesh. You know,
all mesh.
All mesh. Give it that flexible, you know, flexibility, you know, because it is a running shoe. You want flexibility. You don't want to be running around with a stiff shoe, get your feet all hurt. You know, you need a flexible shoe, you know, that adjusts to the shape of the foot. It's got a heel tab like any other one. It says Air 70 on it. The tongue is connected to the rest of the shoe. It is not separated, so it gives you that, you know, sock feel, just like the Huarache runs. You know, most running shoes are doing that nowadays. They want to give you like all-around feel, like if it morphs around your snug feel that morphs around your foot. You know, like Power Rangers, metamorphing Power Rangers.
Nah, you see, like, you know how Wakanda, like, they got that that vibranium, but then they just, you put it on and it just snugs your shoe.
Oh,
you know what I'm talking about.
Hey, but anyway, you know, nothing else too special about the shoe. You know, the bottom is kind of like the Adidas Tubular. If you guys know those shoes, you know, it looks similar to the Adidas Tubular. And you know, they're just pretty comfortable shoes. You tried them on. What do you think?
Pretty comfortable, pretty soft, good cushion. But they're not as comfortable as the Adidas.
Hey, watch out.
For the 3-stripe.
What was that?
Obviously 3-stripe, bro. I got Adidas on right now.
Yeah? Why didn't you just go like this or something?
Maybe I'm not flexible.
Yeah? You don't jump high. You got hops.
Well, obviously they saw, right?
Did they?
Yeah.
Let me see. Do it again.
Hey, move over, man.
Hey. Oh, okay. I'll give you that one. I know you guys don't want to hear us talk about it all day, but let me just finish up by saying, you know, overall, good shoe. I've been seeing everyone at the gym wearing these, so obviously Nike's doing something right.
Yeah.
and you know, they got some cushion on the heel right there, so you know that's cushion is always a bonus.
Speaking of the heel, I forgot to tell you guys. The heel kind of sticks out right here.
Yeah, you see that? You know how it curves out? It gives it kind of like an awkward feel, but
yeah,
I'm sure once you get used to it, you're good. So we would throw these on, do some running, you know, ooh, P90X, ooh,
show how fast you
ooh. And we will see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. God bless.
All right, thank you guys. God bless you.